Running attack, Madayag against Cesc Robles.
And there, the slide attack work, giving them a Chocomucho. But this time naman, tatlo lang lamang ng Chocomucho. Let's see kung madadamihan pa nila yon. But that slide attack, open block for Madi Madayag.
And same thing. This time, Madi Madayag will score. And be quick.
Yes, and bumawi naman si Madi Madayag doon dahil kanina hindi niya na-block si Nogales, but
We are familiar with by now. Cici Rondina for the attack. And John Gonzaga with the answer. No way, said Madi Madayag.
ang ganda ng block niya na yon. Really guarded that cross court very well. Take a look at the wave of her hand. Talagang pinasok niya yung right arm niya para lang makuha pa yung sharper cross court na yon. And take a look at how